Clearwater Analytics is a company that provides software solutions for automating the investment lifecycle. Plans to acquire Enfusion for $1.5 billion. This is a provider of similar services. Joining us now is Clearwater CEO Sandeep Sahai, who believes generative AI can help improve Enfusion's economics. Thank you for joining us today, Sandeep. How are you?
Very good, thank you. Very excited.
I'm sure you are. Before we get to the deal, could you explain a little bit more about what Clearwater Analytics does?
You know, if you think about companies, they're increasingly investing in all kinds of assets. It's not just equities and fixed income. They're now investing in alternative assets, private debt, private credit, mortgage-backed securities, and companies have a hard time getting a comprehensive view. Like what's going on with the investments, what the risks are, what compliance they have to sort of keep up with. And what Clearwater does is brings all of that together on a daily basis and provides clients, somebody like yourselves, a comprehensive view of your portfolio around the world across all asset classes. That's what Clearwater does.
Okay, and so you scoured the landscape looking for acquisitions, and you focused on Enfusion, which is also a software as a service company. So how did this come about, and why are you doing the deal?
Yeah, when you think about what Clearwater does, the way I described it, we do everything after the trade is done. So, after all the investing in the day is finished, then we get all the feeds from all of these trading systems. We get the feeds from the custodians, and we get the feed from other market sources, and we pull it together. So really, we start with the middle back office, if that makes sense. And what Enfusion does has a much stronger focus on the front office and the actual trading itself. And the reason we were so excited about the deal was, I think Enfusion is quite unique in that they have built a single instance multi-tenant platform for the front office, for hedge funds and asset managers. We have done the same thing, but we have come at it from the middle back office. So these two companies have built, I think both have built outstanding platforms, but for different parts of the business. And this combination will allow clients and companies to get a comprehensive solution from us, fully built out on native cloud technologies, SaaS platforms. So that, I think, is exciting for the industry as a whole.
Now, we saw the stock of Enfusion, which hadn't really been doing much, kind of going sideways for quite a while. So did you see an opportunity? And also, as you alluded to, did you think that you can help using AI to make Enfusion more, to make it more efficient and to get it growing?
Yeah, when you look at what we have achieved already, so, it's easy to talk, but when you look at our gross margin, how it has improved over the last 2 years using generative AI and, frankly, operational excellence, you will notice that we have really made a big difference in our own operations. EBITDA has continued to grow, cash flow has been very strong, and so we feel we can use almost that toolkit, take it to Enfusion, who have a fantastic platform anyway, and improve the operating metrics, if you will, and improve profitability. As a matter of fact, what we have said in the call today was in the first year after close, we will deliver 400 basis points of improvement on the bottom line and another 400 basis points in the second year after close. So very, very sharp and high increase in the bottom line of Enfusion, but it is all about growth, though. I just do want to point out that it is about growing faster because clients can get a comprehensive solution by using a combined platform.
And Sandeep, could you tell us which markets are you going to be specifically targeting, and what are the overall synergies here between the two groups?
Yeah, it's kind of exciting. It's not like it's a brand new market. Both of us, for example, the biggest one is asset managers. And when you think about what we do, we come at asset managers from the very large asset managers. And we have been trying to come to the middle-sized asset managers and the smaller asset managers. And when you think about Enfusion, what they've done is they started with hedge funds, very strong position there. And they are trying to get to the smaller asset managers, the medium asset managers. So combined, I think we can provide a platform which works across asset managers. So that's number one. We think that is by far the biggest opportunity we have. The second one we have is they're much more international. So our ability to expand internationally will get a big boost, and we're quite excited about that. And the third one is we have a big presence among asset owners. So insurance companies, corporates, REITs, and things like that. And we will be able to take Enfusion's capabilities in the front office and deliver them to those clients. So we think it is very accretive to growth. And frankly, that's more exciting than the fact that we can deliver 800 bips of improvement to the bottom line.
Well, congratulations on the deal, and thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much. I appreciate the opportunity.
Sandeep Sahai, CEO of Clearwater Analytics.